Good afternoon, everyone. This is Matt over at Milestone Capital Growth Portfolio. It is Tuesday, October 21st, and looks like we're right on cue here. Hope everybody's watching these videos and playing these different trade setups. You'll probably be doing your portfolio some great justice. But all right, let's get right into it here because I got a few things I want to talk about. Let's take a look at the Dow first, and we did it. We broke the 200-day moving average. It's different from stock charts if you're a stock chart user, but I use TC2000 for most of my charts on the videos, but this system I use the most, so I stay true to following these. But anyway, we broke through the 200-day moving average. Your middle Bollinger Band is going to be next here at 16,707. No reason why we can't go right through it. Beautiful candle today. Volume's not huge, but it's picking up a little bit. It's nice to see. The Dow looks great. So now we're right on the SPY. All those problems are all over. So the S&P, the only thing I don't like is we get a nice little gap right here at 190. We'll have to come back and get that at another time, fill that. But right now we're definitely heading to the upside. You can see here relative strength index is at 49. I think we're going to run into some issues right in this area. And maybe a little bit higher, but we'll have to see. 50 in the 100-day is going to be sitting right here. Middle Bollinger Band is broken. We gapped right over the 200-day moving average today. SPY looks fantastic. Google. Let's get right into Google. Google's looking really good. Like I said, we could probably get up here to this middle Bollinger Band, 566. So it's right on track from where we are. Relative strength index is at 31. Like to see a little more volume start kicking into it. But that looks really good here for a nice healthy bounce to the upside. And then we'll have to see what happens after that. PCLN. Well, PCLN broke that middle Bollinger Band, as we said down here. It's going to get rolling. She's rolling now. Up a good $30 today. Powered right through the middle Bollinger Band. We have the 50-day moving average coming up here, and watch that relative strength index at 48. We got November earnings the beginning, I think the first week. So keep an eye on that. We'll discuss that in the chat room and what our plans are for that for PCLN. But good bounce right here off of the nice oversold position. Facebook, I'm sure, is just about where I said it was going to be, and yep, sure enough, here she is. She's coming up to test it, but beautiful move off of here, gapped, broke the middle Bollinger Band, and continues to power to the upside. Take advantage of these moves because they're not going to last forever, but we know when they're going to drop back down again, and we're going to play them on the way down. So we'll maximize the way up and play the way down. Twitter, a little pullback today after the middle Bollinger Band could not hold. Pulled right back down again, closed about 50.63 in that area. But we'll have to see what's happening here. Had a little bit of bounce off the 200-day moving average, broke the 50. 50 should act as support. If the 50 loses support, then Twitter is going to head back down. If it does act as support, we have the middle Bollinger Band to get through. So right now, pretty much stuck between a rock and a hard place. So keep an eye on Twitter here. Post, we were talking about this one for a few days now, and a lot of upgrades are coming. Shocking. Goldman Sachs is calling for 44. Thank you, Goldman Sachs, for watching our videos every single night. 44 was our target that we posted with good reason. So keep an eye on POST to get moving to the upside. Any pullbacks, look for the 50-day to be support or the middle Bollinger Band to be support. And you can pick this up cheaper if it dips. If not, we're going to keep riding to the upside. But it looks really good here. One more here. We're going to look at LinkedIn. LinkedIn is on the money with the break of the middle Bollinger Band. Okay, this one here looks really good. We have, right off the 200-day moving average. Then you had the 100 active support on the next dip, and we broke through today on some pretty good volume. Nothing exciting. But it gets into bullish territory when it gets over this middle Bollinger Band. So you can ride this baby up. 50 days going to come next in this upper Bollinger Band. So you're going to have to keep an eye on the 213 to 215 area for some pretty solid resistance there. And your relative strength index probably be in the high 60s at that point. So don't look for everything to be rocketed back up to the old highs because I don't see it on any of the charts. But I do see nice bounce moves in play here. So enjoy the profits on the way up because we're going to make them on the way down also. All right, this is Matt over at Milestone Capital Growth Portfolio.com. Have yourself a great night. We'll see you in live chat tomorrow.